What if doctors could monitor cancer with a simple blood test instead of another invasive biopsy? This technology is called a liquid biopsy. Instead of removing tissue from a tumor, it analyzes biological material found in the bloodstream. Unlike traditional biopsies that only sample one location, liquid biopsies can capture information from the primary tumor and metastatic sites throughout the body. The most commonly used biomarker is circulating tumor DNA, or ctDNA. These DNA fragments help identify specific mutations and guide targeted therapies. Researchers also study circulating tumor cells, exosomes, and cell-free RNA to better understand how cancers grow, spread, and respond to treatment. One of the most exciting applications is early detection. Liquid biopsies may identify cancer-related signals before tumors become visible on imaging scans. They can also help monitor minimal residual disease and detect signs of treatment resistance, allowing clinicians to adjust therapies sooner. Precision oncology is transforming cancer care, making treatment decisions more personalized, data-driven, and responsive than ever before. At Thrive Integrative Cancer Care, we help patients navigate the rapidly evolving world of precision oncology and personalized treatment strategies. Scan the QR code to book your personalized consultation and learn how emerging technologies may support your cancer care journey.